I presume that all of us here want a specific treatment of diseases. So right now, what is the conventional therapy for the treatment of diseases? Right now, the conventional therapy is that small molecule drugs are extensively utilized to target against the disease-causing protein molecules for binding. The small molecules binds in the proteins. The protein molecules have small pockets. The small molecules go and binds through these pockets, and they interfere the disease-causing mechanisms of these disease-causing proteins. But in our body, there are several proteins. All of the proteins have small pockets, and if the small molecule drug goes and binds in the non-targeted proteins, then our body has off-site reactions that causes different problems. So is there a solution for that? The slide here presents a central dogma of molecular biology, where inside the chromosome there is double-stranded DNA that forms RNA, which forms protein. So the formation of the protein molecules can be linked directly to the double-stranded DNA molecules within the nucleus of the cell. These double-stranded DNA molecules can be targeted by oligonucleotide drugs. These oligonucleotide drugs are small fragments of synthetically developed double-stranded molecules, which can be synthesized in the labs. They can be highly modified. And the interaction between the target and these drugs are very specific, unlike drug and proteins. On this regard, targeting genomic double-stranded DNA is very challenging because the double-stranded DNA, the sites for targeting inside the double-stranded DNA are embedded inside the double strands, which are inside the nucleus of the cells, tightly wrapped around the chromosomes. So our oligonucleotide drug must access to the target site. My work is to develop oligonucleotide probes, which have very high energy to target on those sites. On this regard, we develop invader probes. Invader probes are double-stranded DNA molecules, which are highly modified, and these are highly energized to target against the chromosomal DNA within the cells. Until now, we have shown that invader probes can be used to target against specific genes inside the chromosomes. We have already shown that this can be targeted against linear pathogens. So I want to conclude that invader probes have high potential to be used in biomedicine and therapeutics. Thank you.